This is the Tesla Model 3, Elon Musk's first foray into proper mass production and his company's most affordable car yet. With a range of 310 miles, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.1 seconds and seating for 5, it could be the car that starts the charge from internal combustion to EVs in the mass market. That's certainly what Musk and the Tesla team are hoping. They're aiming to go from a current annual production of 80,000 cars in 2016 to 500,000 by 2018, a ramp-up that Musk described as looking like a lot of pain. The Model 3, which Musk wanted to name the Model E, to give him a range of SEX, but was foiled by the lawyers, is about 20% smaller than the S, so think of it more as a BMW 3 Series/Jaguar's alternative. Initial deliveries will be of a rear-wheel drive model offered in 2 specifications. The standard car starts at $35,000, will do 220 miles on a charge, hit 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds and top out at 130 miles per hour.